More insight into how the young boy in the Richneck Elementary School shooting is doing today. The family's attorney says he now lives with his great-grandfather as his mother heads to trial this August. 13 News Now spoke with the attorney, who also commented on the school administrator's role played in this case.
He's doing well. As you may have heard, his grandfather has custody.
Several months after the shooting at Richneck Elementary School, James Ellenson, the attorney representing the boy's mother, says there's improvement for the young boy at the center of the investigation.
And the grandfather is really a stand-up guy. I think that the young man has a future, and I know the grandfather is going to enforce that he stays on the straight and narrow.
Newport News police say the child took his mother's 9mm handgun from their home and shot his teacher, Abby Swerner, in January. Ellenson says the boy, who just turned 7 this month, is getting the proper care he needs.
Therapy is ongoing. Counseling is ongoing. Almost all interactions between the child and the mother, or anybody for that matter, is supervised by the grandfather or the grandmother.
As the child makes progress at home, investigators are digging into how school administrators played a role in the case. A special grand jury is investigating claims that the school's assistant principal, Dr. Ebony Parker, ignored vital warnings about the boy having a gun on him the day of the shooting.
If in any of those times there had been an intervention, look, I probably would still have been representing this child and this family, but the case would have been completely different.
And Ellenson says he is hearing we could soon learn what the special grand jury decides regarding additional charges in this case. We reached out to the Newport News Commonwealth's attorney to learn more about the latest in that investigation, but we have not heard back. And after this case, there was a huge push towards enhanced safety measures in schools. All Newport News public schools now have metal detectors installed. In North Carolina, the Task Force for Safer Schools is looking at more ways to keep kids safe across the Tar Heel state. One of those is a major campaign pushing for safer storage of firearms. The task force says it hopes that will make it harder for kids to get a hold of guns in the first place. They're also looking at recommending threat assessment teams in every North Carolina school. Those teams would be tasked with identifying troubled students before they put themselves or others in potential danger.